What's up, guys? Today I'm here on Driving Empire. We're currently hosting a classic car meet, and today I think I'm gonna bring my F1. My F1 is pretty good. I like it just like this base color stock wheels. It's beautiful. Now, let's go to the This is gonna take a while to come here. Let's see. I personally really like this spot because you can have some really nice pictures. If you climb up here, you can actually climb that tower, which is pretty cool. But right here is a really spot. People are already coming in. Let's see if we have any more cars. Let's see how it I love the charger. It's actually really nice. It's a nice car. Actually, we got the Jaguar, the Hot Rod, another Porsche. What is? I forgot, but I actually own this car, but I do not remember what it's called. We're gonna move up. Let's move up. Ooh, you guys see that Jaguar? That green Jaguar. I do not know the name, but I'm pretty sure this is for 6 million or 8, if I'm not mistaken. It's pretty nice. The same charger, Porsche. This car, I do not know this car. Actually, let me check. Cause, yeah, the Tommaso. I never looked up that. McLaren does not fit the theme, but you gotta work with what you have. Pretty sure this is a TVR. Something of this age. TVR, Charger, Porsche, GTR, Porsche. I also have the Porsche. I'm just using the F1 because it's a F1. And it's pretty cool. Hot rod. The Porsche. The McLaren is all the way in the corner. Oh no. That is so sad. He doesn't fit the theme. Okay, we're switching up the theme since a lot of people do not have classic cars. So, we're currently switching up the theme to hyper and supercars. So, let's see what everybody has. We know the McLaren over there. Ooh, the Senna. Is that green with orange? Not sure about this one. It's certainly different though. It's different. It's different. We have a McLaren. What is this? Is this a 720? Maybe. I don't know this McLaren. There's so much McLaren. Ooh. Aston Martin Valkyrie, I think. Something along those lines. I have my Zenvo, the limited 12 million. I think the spec is pretty good. Came up with it. I think I like it. Then we have what is this? This is not a car. Pretty sure in real life. Oh, switch it. Wow. Yeah, you got rid of that one. We have a Pagani car setup. Beautiful. Blue carbon all over. Nice interior. Still has the Porsche. Agera. This looks beautiful. It's so high, but it's Agera. Oh, the McLaren finally moved. We have another MLK GTR. Mercedes. Love that. We have AMG 1. Yes, AMG 1. That is. You got some nice cars. What is it? This is a Mercedes AMG. I forgot the rest of it. Let's switch my car. Let's go with my Gemera. Cody. Not many people have this car, I'm pretty sure. Well, surely a lot of people have the car, but this is probably most likely my rarest car. Cedar and Koenigsegg. You know, one thing that happened is I stopped playing before the Koenigsegg went away. So realistically, I would have had all of these, but I got lucky. Another Zamera. Speaking of not that much people have it, somebody has it right here. That's beautiful. I like the color. The rims? I can see it. Oh, I can see it. I like it. We have a Pagani Zonda R. Guess it's not a Revolution, but I, it's a masterpiece. And it sounds beautiful. Full carbon everywhere. Nice rims, actually. The Regera, MLK, Jamero, Barchetta. I don't know what that is. Jamero. Gonna go. Let's go up here. Because we actually have a better view up here. So let's see how it goes. How you what? Oh, I'm coming wrong. What? What the is it? How do you climb up this thing? Oh. Are you there? We have to go higher. Ooh. We're up. Is this, wait, whoa. Is this the tallest point in the, no, it's right there. But we are at the top. I didn't expect to go this high, but we are at the top of the car meet, of the map. I think this is the perfect time to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed. Really, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Now, see you in the next one.